Hi sir, my name is John Joe Marby Sumili, major in electronics, and here is the question. First question, Senator Bato de la Rosa put forth a bill that would have made plunder punishable by death to finalize corrupt public officials should the Philippine government permit this to become law. In my opinion sir is, I do not agree to Senator Bato de la Rosa because the New Testament emphasize forgiveness and redemption. Some interpret Romans 12:19, do not take revenge, my dear friends, but leave room for God's wrath, as advocating against personal retribution and leaving judgment to God. Should same-sex union made legal in our nation so that the LGBT community can have freedom to be with whoever they choose to love. In my opinion sir is, I'm not agree of same-sex union because New Testament says Romans 1:26-27 describe same-sex relation as unnatural and a result of turning away from God. Corinthians 6:9-10 states that men who practice homosexuality will not inherit the kingdom of God, and also Jesus also confirmed that those yoked together in marriage should be male and female. So